Okay. Get me the square. Pencil. Leaving 3.5 at the bottom. Three and a half inches. So after that, I will divide remaining spaces into 3 different sections. So I have 1, 2 feet. That's 24 inches. So I will divide it into using this wood. I will divide it into 3 different sections. 3 different sections. So I can make it 8 inches. I can make it 8 inches per section. 8 inches. And the last one too. 8 inches. So that there should be small space at the top. So I want to use braces for each section. 6 inches. That's what we are going to have. So I have this. I'm going to bring the planks and put the planks on top and nail them in. So I have prepared a base for the frames. So I'm going to fix the base first. So the base is fixed, the leg is attached. So next we want to start mounting the racks, starting from the lowest. Okay, starting from the lowest one. I'm gonna hold it. Stop that nonsense. Stop the video. Okay. Okay. And here is the final job. As you can see, the shoe rack having 4 levels. So don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get notified when I bring another interesting video like this. You can see the final job. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that another time when I bring interesting videos like this, you will get notified by YouTube. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. That we've also constructed alongside the shelf, so we are now putting shoes on it right now.